part of that with Kajol and her and Malishka, the 10-minute interactive video, because I know you have a certain emergency. और राजनीति में ऐसा होता है, बड़े-बड़े शहर में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती हैं. So this is one of the and then finally the Mardani and the Superwoman Award goes to तब तक के stage is incomplete because the girls have been resonating and let me tell you Kajol जी, ये सारी लड़कियां यहाँ पिछले 15 दिन से आपके तमाम गानों पे रिहर्स कर रही हैं. कौन है यार ये? तो इनकी गुजारिश है कि इस अवार्ड के बाद of course काजोल जी will be award also by Amruta ji. So इनका because she's the face of this campaign. So I would request 2 awards to be given by another super lady, the most powerful woman of the state. But the first award I think should go to Kajol because she had very voluntarily supported the entire campaign and the face of this campaign. A very big round of applause to Kajol, please. And I request Mrs. Amruta ji, sir, can you come on the stage, please? Come. You are the super girl. Ajay, please come. Ma'am will continue. Sir, please come on stage. We have Sister Snehanjali from here. Amruta ji will give it to Kajol. Sir, come this side. A very big round of applause to Kajol. She has been just fabulous. Part of that with Kajol and her and Malishka, the 10-minute interactive video, because I know you have a certain emergency. और राजनीति में ऐसा होता है, बड़े-बड़े शहर में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती हैं. So this is one of the and then finally the Mardani and the Superwoman Award goes to yeah, might be not. I would like Amruta ji to say a few words before she leaves. Yes. Because you're not part of the interactive session which Kajol and Rani are with Malishka, तो अभी आपको थोड़ा सा भरपाया करना पड़ेगा. Thank you.
Congratulations to both of you, Kajol and Rani.
अरे विनोद कैसा है?
ये विनोद है. Amruta ji will give it to Sachin Joshi. Let's have a nice group picture before Mrs. Fatima. Amruta ji will give to Kanika ji also. Kanika ji has a voice for a plastic pollution campaign. Think of plastic. A very big round of applause to her. A nice group picture.
बेटा
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू जनरली मलिश्का. अब जब आप हो तो फिर
जी. Thank you very much. A big hand please on stage. Yes, girls. अब तो हम बातें करेंगे. Thank you Amruta ji.
मैं गाड़ियों की मिट्टी में लेने निकाल इसको. ऐसा क्या देखा ना भाई? निकालो. से तो ऐसा मैंने तो रोज आप वाले आए ना. अरे पर मैं क्या बोला भाई? ऐसा मेरा ये
when you shatter glass ceilings. So yes, this is for all you girls. I love you and I'll continue doing what I'm doing. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rani. And I know you have to leave. Before you go, please give these girls a message. Also, it's almost hum New Year ki kagaar par hain. So anything you would like to say to them before you leave? No. Firstly, Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you have your secret Santas who are going to give you these amazing gifts. I'm also looking forward to my gift from Secret Santa. But a happy new year to all of you all. 2025 was fabulous, and I think 2026 is going to be even better. So to all you girls, study hard, give amazing exams, and keep going stronger and stronger in every part in your lives. Be strong. Be committed to what you guys are doing, because sometimes the path can be tough, but keep the perseverance going and you will always have success forward. Lots of love to you, and I would like to say that right now I'm in the midst of shooting Mardani 3. So going to get to you guys Mardani 3 very soon in February. So I have to go and prep. So wish me all the luck. Thank you.
Rani, thank you so much for being with us. All the best with Mardani. And thank you for playing roles beyond princesses. Actually, to both of you, आप लोगों ने ही हमें कितना कुछ सिखाया. Thank you, Rani.